Headaches are a common ailment that can significantly impact our daily lives, but understanding their causes and knowing how to treat them can make all the difference. Let's start by exploring the two main categories of headaches: primary and secondary. Primary headaches occur independently and include tension headaches, migraines, and cluster headaches. Tension headaches, often caused by stress, poor posture, or eye strain, feel like a tight band around your head. Migraines, on the other hand, are intense, throbbing headaches that can be accompanied by nausea and sensitivity to light, often triggered by hormonal changes or certain foods. Cluster headaches are characterized by severe one-sided pain, red eyes, and nasal congestion. Moving on to secondary headaches, these are caused by underlying conditions. Sinus headaches result from sinus infections or allergies. Dehydration headaches arise from not drinking enough fluids. Caffeine withdrawal can also lead to headaches when you suddenly cut back on your coffee intake. Exertion headaches follow intense physical activity, while medication overuse headaches occur from taking too many painkillers. Now let's discuss how to manage and alleviate these headaches effectively. Home remedies can be quite helpful. Staying hydrated, resting, using cold or hot compresses, managing stress, and maintaining good posture can alleviate symptoms. Over-the-counter pain relievers like ibuprofen and acetaminophen can provide relief for mild headaches, while triptans are more effective for migraines. For sinus-related headaches, decongestants can be beneficial. Lifestyle changes can also play a crucial role in headache management. Regular exercise, reducing caffeine and alcohol intake, and ensuring adequate sleep can prevent the onset of headaches. For severe, frequent, or worsening headaches, seeking medical care is essential. Consulting a doctor can provide more tailored treatments such as therapies like acupuncture or Botox for chronic migraines. By identifying triggers and adopting appropriate remedies, managing headaches becomes more achievable. Remember, understanding your headache is the first step towards effectively handling it. Stay informed and take control of your health.